Hi, down here along the river today, and I want people to know there's definitely quicksand. I got stuck in it. I walked, it's muddy here. Look, there's an impression of my boot. Right there. I started sinking. There's my hands stuck in the mud. Kind of scared me. I had to sit on my butt and try to dig my feet out. I was trying to hit over there. Okay, I'm going to climb in this shelter and see if anything in here to look at. Okay, I'm up in here in the shelter, and as you can see, it's very, very sturdy. This is going through there. We have just this stick is just sitting here. It's not even really in good. It's just stuck in the ground. I don't know why it smells like chickens though in here. And we got another stick right here, stuck in the ground. Just stuck in. It's not holding up anything. And there's the top of it. This is a live tree coming up in. You can go down to the river right there. There's a water bottle over there that I can't get to. Pretty cool in here, actually. There's the doorway. And here is me. And I guess I'll go back out now. Nice little shelter. There it is. Okay, I guess I'm going to climb up here. Try to go in here. Looks like a good place to go in and investigate. Doesn't look like I've been in here before. Now that the river's low, I can go along the side of the river here and get up in some of these places I've been wanting to get into. Okay, go in here. Ugh. Oh, it's hard. Okay, go over here. Ouch. It's freaking thorns. Oh my God, let go of me. Okay, the tree like really was clinging to me.